Welcome back to a new video, and today I'm going to be checking out your logo designs. So we're going to see which ones need improvement. Let's see if we can find one that is amazing and impresses me. This should be fun. I am excited and I hope you guys are as well. If you guys would like, check out our server, link is down below, and you can also send your work to get a chance to be in a video. First, from Yeetus Cletus, we have nice logo I made for my friend as a surprise for his Discord server. Smiley face. Now I don't know how to pronounce this, but we have this looks like a Flappy Bird and its values. The background, this crown here, I almost didn't see it. You have three yellow icons here. You have a yellow bird with a yellow crown and a yellow background. Now to me, that doesn't really make any sense. My advice would be to change the background color like a blue or anything else really, or at least add some shadows to this crown, make it stand out. Next we have Tapping Mania. Now for this, I would add some effects to the text like a gradient because it's just flat colors. It feels kind of lazy. The Mania text has a gradient. We'll also make this black border thicker before this purple goes on top. Now I'll also make this border here blue because the text is blue, so make this outline have a gradient as well from blue to purple / pink here. Ultimate Tower Defense Simulator. So we have two zombies here. One thing I could say is this text right here looks kind of, not sure if it's the font or what, but the text shape is really kind of weird. It's not very sharp. Also for this outline, I would have changed the color because white is kind of boring. You can make it green. I think green would have worked out fine. Maybe possibly make these icons a bit more vibrant. The color is a bit dull. Our next strange creations, I would add a background to this and maybe possibly a face onto the monster and make it bigger so the arms kind of go like right here to just make it more dramatic. Our anime collectors, this is a very nice logo. This is from Falling Graphics on Twitter. I also think a background here would work, would look pretty nice, but overall this logo obviously is very clean and the designer is experienced. Recent commission Fallen, which is a supers rank in logos. Frivo or Frivo, I don't know how to say it, but obviously this looks amazing. I love the text, the outline works very well. The strawberry on the eye icon, this little shape here to make everything point towards this logo. And you see these variations right here to show that this logo is also flexible on different backgrounds. At 1K per logo, taxes included 1430, Anime Adventures, Pumpkin Farmers, Haunted Stories, Race Clicker. I don't think these logos are bad at all. However, I think the gray text is a bit boring. For example, on Haunted Stories, this text could have been green. It would have looked pretty good. Also for Race could have been yellow. Farmers could be a different color as well. Alright, from Cool, this is amazing. You can clearly see Mining Merge Clicker. The icons are very well done. There's a dark background to make the text stand out. This is very colorful. The icons are colorful. The X right here. This is probably the best logo I've seen yet during this video. So great job. Right here we have Rift Conquerors. I love the 3D text here. For this one, maybe some vectors or icons in the background. Rift Conquerors, like you can have swords, a staff, just something to some more symbolism. Here we have Candy Ink. I don't really have any complaints on this logo. I think it's actually fairly decent. Candy, maybe you could, for some letters, you could design a type of candy. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I'm going to pick the best logos in the thumbnail. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, and yeah, I'm gonna see you guys next time. Peace.